Hi Washington, this video is for your Pick 3 pair method. Basically in this video all I do is I go back for about a month and then I'm trying to find out which day is bringing in the 2 digits. And then once you figure that out, all you have to do is just apply it to the next 7 days. So for your state, you seem to like Mondays for this this method, and then it's going to be good for 7 days. And then I'm going to show you just a couple examples to show you what I'm talking about in this video. So I'm going to go with the number 435. So let's say that you had chosen 4-3 front pair and the number showed up as 435. You would win $25, but let's say that number showed up as 345. You would not win because it does have to be an exact play. And then same example, so let's say you had played a 3-5 back pair, and then the number showed up as 435, you would win $25. And let's say it showed up as 453, you would not win because it does have to be an exact play. And just to let you know, so it doesn't have to be this number exactly. So say, for an example, you had played 4-3 front pair. If it showed up as like a 430, 431, 432, 433, and so on, you would win. And same thing with a back pair. So let's say it showed up as, so you had played a 3-5 back pair, and it showed up as 135, 235, 335, so on and so on. Then you would still win. Okay, so in this next part, I'm going to show you just kind of how I do the back testing for this method, and then at the very end of the video, I'll give you some pairs that I think may fall in the next 7 days, potentially. Okay, so if you cannot see this page, make sure you pull up whatever site you use to look at the numbers. Make sure you don't skip this part. I'm going to be showing you some patterns I've been noticing that's separate from the pair video. But it's really good information, and I think you guys will really like it. So for Monday, for September 3rd, you had 449 fall. So for this method, what you're looking for a 4-4 pair, a 4-9 pair, and a 9-4 pair. So in this week, you had a 4-9 back pair on September 8th with 749. So this is separate than the pair video, this part. So I've been noticing that your Monday numbers, shortly after, you'll have, so say you were to add 4 to that first, add 3 to that first 4, and that 449, you had 749 hit on September 8th there. And then pay attention to the 985 there too on Tuesday, September 4th. Okay, so just to finish that part out, you had also 986 fall on Monday. So you also had +1, -1 right there, sort of. I'll show you what I'm a little bit more in depth in just a minute. Okay, so back to the pair method. On September 10th, you had 986 fall. You're looking for a 9-8 pair, a 9-6 pair, a 9. Well, I think I said that already, but a 9-8 pair, a 6-9 pair, 8-9 pair, and a 6-8 pair. So in this example, in this week, that method did not work this week. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple more examples here. So, in a second. Okay, so on Monday, September 17th, you had 143 fall. You're going to be looking for 1-4, a 1-3, a 4-1, a 4-1, a 3-1, and a 3-4. So in this week, you had a 1-3 front pair and a 1x3 split on September 18th with 1-3-3. You also had a 3-4 back pair on September 19th with 3-4-9. So I just wanted to point out, so this part again, it's going to be separate than the pair video. So you see, so 1-4-3, you had -1 +1 happen again. So you see how 1-4-3 turned into 1-3-3. And then you also had a +2 happen off of that 1-4-3 in that week with that 3-4-9. Or not +2, it's going to be -2. So that's 3-4-9 there. And then pay attention to that 107 on September 22nd, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay, so back to the pair play. On Monday, September 24th, you had 5-2-6 fall. You're going to be looking for 5-2, 5-6, 6-5, a 2-5, and a 6-2 in this week. So you did have a 2-6 back pair on September 28th. And then back to like the pair, not the pair. So this is not the pairs again, okay? So you see 1-3-7 right there. And then 1-0-7 right there. You had a +3 with that second digit. So it's just patterns I thought were interesting. So I just wanted to point them out to you. If you do your own workouts and stuff, I just thought it was interesting. And then I'm trying to think if there's anything else I was wanting to show you. I don't think so. So yeah, I think that was it. That's all I wanted to point out. And then back to the pair play. So based on what I just covered, the potential pairs in the next 7 days. So ignore the numbers on the right. I'll cover those in just a second on why they're listed. But based on the 854 that hit yesterday on Monday, the potential pairs I think may fall in the next 7 days would be a 5-4 back pair, an 8-4 front pair, an 8x4 split, and a 4-5 back pair, an 8-4 back pair. Of course, those could fall. The way it's not really listed here. So for example, like the 8x4 might reverse and be like a 4x8 split. The 8-4 might reverse and do like a 4-8 front pair or a 4-8 back pair, and then same thing with the 5-4 and the 4-5 there. Okay, so the reason I included those digits on the right, so these numbers I think will be likely to hit maybe in the next 7 days. If you like any of those numbers, I might suggest holding them for maybe 2 weeks and just see what happens. I would not suggest playing all of them at once, but based on what I covered within the video, I think 855 would be a good number possibly, 853, 154, 554, 654, and 054. So make sure you always back test with these types of things to make sure you agree before playing. But that's pretty much it, Washington. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments. For those of you who skipped ahead to the back and didn't watch the entire video, I have some explanation in the middle of the video about where I got those numbers on the right. Okay, that's it.